So Apple has just released the first beta of iOS 17, and if you want to install it on your device, I will show you guys how to do it right now. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just follow a few simple steps and you will get iOS 17 beta 1 on your device. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that you have a device that actually supports iOS 17, because this year Apple has dropped 3 devices. The iPhone 8, the iPhone 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10 won't actually support iOS 17. So of course that's really bad, but this is how things are. If you have one of those devices, you won't be able to install iOS 17. Next up, make sure you have the battery over 50%. Make sure you have enough storage on your device at around 7 to 8 free gigs. And then what you will need next is, of course, a dev ID. Apple has changed the way you update to beta software since iOS 16.4, so this year you won't be able to actually install it using a profile. Once you have the dev ID, you need to make sure that your device is updated to iOS 16.5 before you try to update to iOS 17. Once you have all that done, head on to settings, go to the general settings right here and go to software update. Now here you will need to have your Apple ID, which is registered as a dev account. If you have one that you have for a dev account and a different one that you actually use for your device, you can just go ahead and tap here and change to that one and you're good to go. Otherwise, once you have done this, you will see right here the dev beta options. If you don't see this and you know you have a dev account, make sure you go ahead and find the feedback app and make sure you go ahead and sign in here if you don't see the dev options under the settings app. Now once all that done and you see the dev options here, you will have iOS 16 and iOS 17 beta right there. You come back here and there you go, you will get the update for iOS 17 beta 1. All it's left to do now is, of course, from here, just go ahead, tap download and install, enter your passcode here. Once you enter your passcode, now what you need to do here is just agree, tap agree right here, and just wait for the download here to happen, to finish, and it will start automatically installing once it's done, and you're good to go. You will have iOS 17 beta 1 on your device. So that's pretty much it. This is how you install iOS 17 beta 1 on your device. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure to subscribe, because we will be uploading a ton of iOS 17 videos. Make sure to do that, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you on the next one.